Okay, I've had this unit for at least 6 weeks, but I just getting it put together. This will be the first time pumping. I'll turn it on. And it's pumping. I got a little box for my excess wire, so I got about 20 feet extra wire here in case I need to add on. My copper grounding wire is it's about 1 foot to solid granite, so it's at an angle, and I can hear water pumping. And I got a trench, and I probably got 5 gallons a minute coming out of there. So it's a success. Fill in my trench and hook up my pipe, and we'll have some water going somewhere. Thank you.